is your store?
Yeah, this is my new store and it's called the supermarket. Please.
Wow, you have so many items for sale.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a tour.
How much are those?
Those are this is the storage.
Oh,
This is one there.
and you're selling cars too. Unicorn and
And this is where I drive.
oh, your drive. How about those? You sell fruits in your market, it's supermarket.
Yeah.
So can I buy something from there?
Yeah.
My basket.
Here's a basket.
Okay. I'll be needing some banana.
Okay, that will be $20.
$20? Oh my god. And then, yeah, eggs.
So that's it. So this one
Yeah.
is just like $10 and this one is just like $1.
Oh!
This one is larger than.
Of course, I'll be needing corn and
Yeah.
some cabbage.
This will be like $5. And
Oh.
cabbage will be.
And tomatoes.
Let me get it.
Fall down.
Wait.
Oh, give me some strawberry.
Okay.
I'm gonna make some shakes. So, how much? These are all that I've purchased. So, how much is the total?
This is $30.
Okay,
I got
here.
you guys one.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Happy shopping. I'll come back next time, okay?
Come back part 2. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, welcome to part 2. So let's go.
Okay. So, this is your store, right?
I show you last at the first part. This is my store.
Oh,
Okay?
this is a new item.
Yeah. This is when you wash your veggies. Because all of the veggies are dirty. And this is for washing your veggies.
Okay. Yeah, oh, come
You
on.
have to pretend you are washing your veggies.
Okay, can you show me how you wash your veggies? It's like a soap, no?
Yeah. Washing. Yes.
Wow, that's amazing. How much are the fruits and veggies that you are selling?
I'm gonna tell you later when you're done shopping.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna
Shop.
get some cups because I'm going to have a party. So
Okay.
I'm gonna be needing this. And
Okay.
then-
What are you having for your party?
Okay, a cocktail. So I'll be having some fruits. I will take all the fruits. And then I will also take some veggies, green veggies.
Veggies and vegetables.
Yeah, I actually gonna take it all.
You're kind of thick.
No, I am rich today, so I have money because I have a party at home. So I'll pay for all of this.
Um,
How much is the total? $100 million? Okay, here's my card. Just swipe it, okay? Thank you. You need to replenish your stocks.
I'm sorry, but our card machine is broken. Did you
That's-
have any money instead?
Yeah, I'll pay for those. Ching.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Till my next shopping.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.